Hi students, can we start our computer class? We are in chapter 4, more on MS Word, and we have learned so many topics, features under this chapter, and our today's topics are how we can check spelling and grammar error in our document, and the other one, how we can insert table in our document. स्टूडेंट्स व्हेन वी टाइप डॉक्यूमेंट इन एम एस वर्ड, जब भी हम एम एस वर्ड में डॉक्यूमेंट बनाते हैं या कुछ भी टेक्स्ट मैटर टाइप करते हैं तो आपने देखा होगा कई बार किसी वर्ड के नीचे रेड और ग्रीन बेबी लाइंस अपीयर हो जाते हैं ऑटोमेटिकली। तो हम आज सीखेंगे कि ये लाइन क्यों अपीयर्स होते हैं और इन्हें कैसे हम रिमूव कर सकते हैं अपने डॉक्यूमेंट से। जिस वर्ड के नीचे आपको रेड बेबी लाइन दिखता है मीन्स कि उस वर्ड में कुछ स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है, ओके। और जहाँ आपको ग्रीन बेबी लाइन दिखते हैं मतलब वहाँ पे कुछ ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक है। तो एम एस वर्ड हमें वो फीचर देता है कि हम स्पेलिंग एंड ग्रामेटिकल एरर को आइडेंटिफाई कर सकें और ये सजेशन भी देता है हम उसको रिमूव करके फिर अपने डॉक्यूमेंट को करेक्ट कर सकें। सो वी विल लर्न द फर्स्ट टॉपिक स्पेलिंग एंड ग्रामर फीचर। आफ्टर दैट we will insert a table in our document. Our first topic is spelling and grammar check. Using this feature we can make our document correct, flawless, without mistake or perfect. जब भी आप अपना डॉक्यूमेंट पूरा टाइप कर ले तो आफ्टर टाइपिंग हमें एक बार देख लेना चाहिए कि कोई मिस्टेक तो नहीं रह गया। एंड एम एस वर्ड हेल्प्स अस, ओके। हाउ? अगर स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है तो उस वर्ड के नीचे रेड बेबी लाइन आ जाती है एंड इफ़ देयर इज़ ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक तो वहाँ पे ग्रीन बेबी लाइन आ जाती है। सो द स्टेप्स आर क्लिक ऑन रिव्यू टैब, go in proofing group, click spelling and grammar option. I have typed a document here and there are so many mistakes in my document. A dictionary presents the words in alphabetical order, full stop, and I have not given the space after full stop, okay. And the T is also in a smaller one, but after full stop it should be in capital and makes it easier. The spelling of easier is also incorrect. Now we will correct the document by spelling and grammar option. So first we will click on review tab. It is already clicked. Now we will click on spelling and grammar. The spelling and grammar dialog box appears. See, it shows in red color, okay. Order dot this and it is giving us suggestion also. We select it and click change. Now it shows easier in red color and it is giving us suggestion. Now click and click change, okay. Now close. Now you can see the red baby lines are disappeared because we have corrected the spelling, but you can see the green baby line below this, okay. Why? Because after full stop T letter of the this should be in capital. So you can change here also and you can see in the grammar and spelling box also. See here this comes in green color because here grammatical mistake and it is giving a suggestion. Click and click on change, okay. Now the spelling and grammar check is complete. Message given by shown by our computer means now our document is correct one. See, topic is table. A table is made up of rows and column. See, this is a table, okay. These horizontal lines are called rows and these vertical lines are called columns. So in this table there are 2 rows and 1 2 3 4 5 column. Okay, you can see here these horizontal lines are rows and these vertical lines are column, and the one single box in a table is called cell. Okay, now we will learn how we can insert a table in MS Word. Okay, so the steps are: click on insert tab, table option, then we will click on insert table sub option, then a dialog box appears. Here we will type the desired number of column in number of column box and desired number of row in number of rows box. Okay, and now we will make the table like this. Okay, this is given in your textbook on page number 56, and first in this table we should count how many rows and how many columns. So there are 3 columns and 1 2 3 4 5 6 rows. Okay, so first we will insert a table with 3 columns and 6 rows. So class, first we will insert table with 3 columns and 6 rows. So the steps are: first we will click on insert tab. Okay, now click on table option and insert table sub option. Okay, in number of column we will type 3, and in number of rows we will type 6 and click OK or press enter. Now we will adjust our table like this. We will press this handle inward to make it a smaller one like this. Okay, and now we will make the first column narrower because we have to type only number here, so we will make it narrower like this. Okay, now we can start typing. In first cell we will type serial number, press tab key and jump in second cell and type here dam, and in again press tab and jump in third cell and type river. Okay, now click here and type 1. Now come in downward cell, press down arrow key, type 2, again down arrow key, 3, down arrow key, 4, down arrow key, 5. Okay, now click here and type Bhakra Nangal Dam. Okay, Bhakra Nangal Dam, press tab key and type the name of the river Satluj. Okay, now again click here. In this way you can make your table. Now we have completed the table. Text of first row should be in center. Okay, so first we will select all the cells of the first row with shift plus right arrow key and click on center alignment. Now see, now your table is perfect like your textbook. So this is the class for today. Now our chapter 4 is over. So goodbye for this class.